How do there, all you YouTubers? Okay, the fluttering you see is the reflection from the props on the drone because the sun is just setting. You can see how it's got the trees. Looks like they're in the autumn, but it's not. There you go. You can see it there. I'm out of the sun. Anyway, I'm up here today to check out the roof on the motorhome shelter. As you can see over there, that black spot, that's where the silver tarp has peeled back a little. And no, it's not from cutting the trees there a couple weeks ago, by the way. It just rots out from the sun, and I have to stretch another one over the top of it. So I'm just confirming that's what's done. Let's go land and take off somewhere else. Okay, we're over across the road and up we go again. Go across the field a little ways and go up a couple 100 feet and take a little turn around. I discovered after I was done here I was in sports mode, which makes the joysticks very, very sensitive. And that's not where I need it to be for taking video like this. I need it to be in camera mode. So everything is slow to respond to the controls, so you don't get no jerky or fast movements. But like I say, I discovered that after the fact. Just at the edge of that forest you see is Middle Side Road in front of those houses there. You can't see the road, but it goes over across in front of the park. That's the Arquette right there. Next street over towards the top would be Walker Road. Coan Park would have been in that top left corner. There's the old shack down there. You see the sun there, straight ahead. The school. You see at the horizon right at the top left corner, see all those little jiggity jaggities sticking up? That's downtown Detroit. Back over looking after the field. And that's going to wrap up our little flight. Like I said, all I wanted to do was check out that roof. So took a little spin when I was there. Later.